Today we're going to learn how to say something is bigger than, better than, taller than, shorter than, something else. And to do this, we have to learn two very important words, and they are ake and atu. I'll give you a quick example of this. He tā roa ake a hemi I a paura, which means hemi is taller than paura. Here's another way of doing it. He tā roa atu a hemi I a paura. Now, what happens in the sentence is we start with he. Okay, this means that we're using basic description, followed by an adjective, which is a describing word, for example, tā roa. The next thing we put in there is ake or atu. Either or doesn't matter. They both have the same function. So let's have those first three words. He tā roa ake. We're comparing now. A hemi. Hemi is taller. He tā roa ake a hemi. And then placing the other subject into the sentence. I a paura. He tā roa ake a hemi I a paura, which means hemi is taller than paura. Now, we've just described height. Now, the other thing that we can do is talk about things or objects. For example, he pai ake tēnei whare I tōku whare tawhito. This house is better than my old house. Now have a look at the examples on the PowerPoint and have a go at the activities. Kia kaha rā koutou mā, ko matua paura tēnei, e mihi atu nei, tēnā koutou katoa.